Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can change reason in Riot account. So if you want to change the reason in Riot's account, then you need to first of all log into your account. So when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So when you're logged in, if you go to your account section and go to settings, right on this page, you should be able to see all of your information. So first thing, you have to verify your email for that case. And also in order to do this procedure, you have to make sure that your email address is completely verified. So when you're logged in and you go to your profile page, now unfortunately you cannot change your reason on Riot Games. And in order to change your reason, you have to submit a request or a ticket. In order to submit a ticket, you could go to the support center from the accounts or the settings page. And when you actually go ahead and type in your request, all of that, you should be able to, and then you should be able to fix the issue, or you should be able to change your reason. So in that way, you should be able to change your reason on your Riot Scheme account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.